Welcome back to my channel. How to negotiate with suppliers. Negotiating with suppliers can be challenging, but it's an important skill for any business owner or procurement professional to master. Here are some tips to help you negotiate with your suppliers. Understand your needs. Before you start negotiating with your supplier, it's important to understand your needs. This includes the products or services you're looking to buy, the quantity you need, and the time frame in which you need them. Understanding your needs will help you set clear objectives for your negotiation and determine what concessions you're willing to make to achieve those objectives. Research your supplier. Once you understand your needs, research your supplier. This includes their products, prices, and reputation. You should also research their negotiation tactics and any weaknesses in their position that you can use to your advantage during the negotiation. Researching your supplier will help you understand their business and negotiating style, which can help you negotiate more effectively. Set clear objectives. Before entering into negotiation, it's important to set clear objectives. This includes the minimum and maximum prices you're willing to pay, the quantity you need, and any other factors that are important to you, such as delivery times or quality standards. Setting clear objectives will help you stay focused during the negotiation and prevent you from making concessions that are not in your best interest. Build a relationship. Building a relationship with your supplier is critical to successful negotiation. You want to create a positive, collaborative environment that encourages open communication and mutual trust. This can help you find mutually beneficial solutions that meet both your needs and your supplier's needs. Building a relationship with your supplier takes time and effort. You should communicate regularly, be respectful and professional, and be willing to listen to their needs and concerns. Be prepared to compromise. Effective negotiation requires compromise. You should be willing to make concessions that benefit both parties and create a win-win situation. This will help you build a strong relationship with your supplier that will pay off in the future. However, it's important to know your limits and not make concessions that are not in your best interest. Focus on the long term. Negotiation isn't just about getting the best deal in the short term, it's also about building a relationship that will benefit both parties in the long term. You want to create a partnership that is built on trust, respect, and mutual benefit. When negotiating with your supplier, it's important to focus on the long term. You should be willing to make concessions that benefit both parties and create a win-win situation. This will help you build a strong relationship with your supplier that will pay off in the future. Be willing to walk away. While it's important to build a relationship with your supplier and focus on the long term, you also need to be willing to walk away if the negotiation isn't going in your favor. If the supplier is unwilling to meet your needs or negotiate in good faith, it may be in your best interest to find another supplier who can meet your needs. Being willing to walk away gives you bargaining power and can help you get a better deal in the long run. Use objective criteria. Using objective criteria can help you negotiate more effectively. This includes industry standards, market prices, and other data that can support your position. Using objective criteria can help you build a stronger case for your position and make it more difficult for the supplier to refute. Stay calm and professional. Negotiation can be emotional, but it's important to stay calm and professional during the process. This includes avoiding personal attacks, maintaining a positive tone, and being respectful of the other party. Staying calm and professional can help you build a stronger relationship with your supplier and increase the chances of a successful negotiation. By following these tips, you can negotiate with your suppliers more effectively and build stronger, mutually beneficial relationships.